2023 in Joliet, Illinois, officers were dispatched to a gym for the 36th consecutive noise complaint. This time, they'd had enough.
How you get a noise complaint? You a gym, bro? It's a gym though. What you expect, fam? It's gonna be loud. I ain't never heard how a gym get a noise complaint, fam. It's gonna be loud, bro.
What you got going on? This dude?
Yeah, I walked in and he's like, out of here. I'm like, all right, you want to listen? You want to turn your music down?
This big ass dude?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, he found out bro big. He don't want no part. He don't want no part in it.